On the right side of the panel, 4 program buttons have been added for easy access to functions the customer uses the most. The power and reset functions have separate keys now, and the logout key has been moved to this area. In the center section, the system menu counter key has been moved to the left section of the operation panel. The dual functions of these keys have been split, with the address book and destination functions moving to the left side of the panel, and the cursor movement and OK keys moving together. These functions and settings are now accessed through the function menu. Again, the indicators have been moved to the front for better visibility. Also, all of these settings are now accessed through the function menu key. On the left side, there are now 22 one-touch keys rather than 8. Also, on the 1128, there are now separate fax keys for easier access to that function.